Hello, I have another devlog. I don't have anything super huge. I might potentially have a fix for somebody crashing, but it's a bit weird because one thing that happens is that the interprocess library, sometimes the queue gives me like an empty message when I wait on it, and I'm not sure if it's like normal behavior for it. I couldn't find like anything. Um, or if it's like indicative of some other problem, but I had like some logic that will just like skip trying to parse it because that's kind of where it explodes. And we'll see if things go haywire with that or if that just kind of works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna load like a bunch of worlds, I'm gonna hop around, which is one of the reasons I wanted to record this. Just so you can see me like poking around more things. Um, so let's see, what should we do? Let's try Vaporwave. This one's not cached either. I don't think it's a super big world, but yeah, it's just instant. Like, this is not cached at all. Um, of course, but... So, that's fine. This one's in this world. Let's close it up. Oh, actually, I wanted to show you, because this is one of the things that triggered it, but didn't happen last time. Um, uh, Hopefully it doesn't actually crash this time. Well, if it does, then, you know, I have, like, um, I'll have, where's games? There we go. I'll have, like, more things to diagnose, but... There's the chip 8 emulator, and what I wanted to do is unpack it. Let me actually align this a little bit. I think it's this way. Just so you can see it, because this is also pretty much insane. So I'm gonna unpack it. Unpack. Zoop. And there it is. Like, this usually hurts quite a lot. It kind of hurts to move it around. It still kind of hurts, but less. Because we got busy all the wires and everything. There's like millions things, so it does help a little bit of kind of stuff. I'm also gonna delete it. We'll see if it crashed this time. Oh, did it crash? Oh, it didn't crash. Interesting. Oh, oh, what was that? Something was weird and chunky. But we're still alive, and things did seem to be exploding. I'm just gonna open Inspector, look at the ground. Yeah, stuff seems to be working. Let's open up some more worlds. Not this thing. Yeah, this one's still like chunky. There's so many contacts. That one, like, you know, there's also like other stuff in the future like I need to do, like optimization wise, where we make the UI not generate like a bazillion things. So it's loading. Why am I... Is the collider not here? I think it's being generated, maybe? Yeah, interesting. That's kind of interesting, because it should be done with the asset variant system. But it is loaded, this is fine. We haven't died so far. I'm gonna close it. What else could we try? Sabering, that might be interesting. Let's try that. It's loading. Come on. That one's a big one too. Every time I'm like, is this just like is it crashed, or is it just like taking a bit? There we go. That's a big one. Look at the download. Like, this is pretty much like near maxing out my connection on a lot of downloads. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's loaded. Let's see. Forget where it started. Oh, there we go. I think that's a good test. Oh! No. What was that?
Hi there, my name is RustyBot. I'm part of a group called the Ringleaders, and I think we need your help. We're in a bit of a
Yeah,
pinch,
yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
if
Let's
you could
go.
just hop into the ship, I'll explain everything as we go.
And things aren't exploding so far.
The ship's autopilot will guide itself towards our space station. I'll let the others know you're coming. You, might want to hold on to something.
There's nothing to hold on to. Well, maybe could hold this, but and most of the stuff should pretty much work the same. It's mostly just like the rendering stuff, because pretty much the entire engine, it's like...
During my research, I got access to some of your tools.
Yeah,
I don't seem to
give
be
me
able to
that.
use them, but I made a bitbot that holds them for you, at least. You can just grab them and move them around, and he'll provide you with whichever ones you need.
Hmm. I don't quite remember the details, so I'm like, is this correct? Is this how it's supposed to be? It's the ring. Well, it's just kind of like, running through content and seeing how stable this is. But yeah, most of the engine, it's pretty much like, there's not very much code changes. There are like some data types that were moved around, which makes it incompatible. But a lot of it, like, a lot of the changes are specific to the rendering bit. So it's like mesh renders, assets, materials, reflection probes, stuff like that, cameras. Because there's now like kind of proxied over, and some of the mechanisms are kind of different. But otherwise, like all the behaviors, like protoflags, that pretty much runs the same. So
Welcome to the ring.
OMG, hi! This is the user? Bit funny looking.
How can they help us? They wouldn't survive a magic
Oh.
let alone an overspace creature.
Okay, yes, but just watch. Those tools of yours caught my attention when I saw what you're able to do with them. Directly unraveling the functionality of objects, changing their properties on a whim. I believe you're powerful enough to be the key to our success here. Grab your developer tool and select this bitbot.
Where's it? Good.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Now open that little wheel menu thing you have and do your destroy whatever.
Oh. Just deleted.
Where did it go?
Nowhere. They just deleted physical matter. This is what I've been saying. From studying the ways their tools interact with standard particles, I think they might be able to affect higher dimensional constructs if we give them a bit of a boost.
Rusty, did you even ask their name before calling them to action?
No, but I don't think they can speak to us directly.
What?
They're able to parse any sort of communication attempts.
Blah blah blah.
Ascertain they're a user.
So, user, do you have any qualms about helping us out today? If you're unwilling, we can continue to look for some...
The steward's right. We don't have time. Long story short, we have the ability to travel to alternate realities. It's an incredible power, but it also attracts attention. This
I'm gonna do the whole thing.
Space, a realm between the timelines. It noticed us during our last jump and seems to be upset about it.
RustyBot here thinks that your developer powers can help us out here.
I do, yes. Your abilities rival our own, with the difference that you can affect matter from outside your own universe.
We'll help you out, of course, but there's a chance you might be the only way for us to defeat this entity.
Good luck.
There really wasn't anyone else?
Believe me, I looked.
What? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna delete the whole thing, but I wanted to check out some of the bigger areas. There we go.
Oh, hey.
Those are
You
like,
probably need a sample of the creature to build your weapon. Head down to the vault if
Yeah.
you can. You'll need to use your material tool to alter any orange or gray metals as you get down to
alright,
the
I
vault.
can't use it.
We
Yeah,
need
okay.
something destructive. Something that could get you past plates or chains or anything else in your way. The slimes have been hungry, so maybe something edible?
Yeah, give me that. Why does that work? Give me cheese. Is it broken or is it not? Huh. I don't know if it's something broken or what happened. I can't get the cheese for some reason. I don't know if it's bug or not. Or it's just like a desktop thing. I'm pressing the right key. Yeah, it doesn't wanna work. Weird. Yeah, I don't know if this bug or no. I'm gonna close it. Otherwise it seems to run pretty stable. Let's try. Oh, this is not gonna work because I haven't implemented render to texture. Oh, this might be a good one. There's a lot of procedural stuff in here. Oh my god, it was instant. And also no cache, like this wasn't cached. So there's a bunch of procedural things here. Like, I'm gonna put these ones. There's these ones. I think this is all procedurally generated, I'm not sure, but there's this one. So you can randomize this. So then that generates let's make a random one. Oh, this looks interesting. Let's bake this one. Bake high resolution. It's gonna do loads of stuff. This usually hurts quite a bit because it generates a lot of triangles. I wonder what's like the asset integration. That's hurt too when it's generating that still. Oh, interesting. That's like taking long on frame start. Oh, I think that's actually the renderer because like it's rendering. Oh, there we go. Because like when it's rendering this, it's literally rendering every single triangle as its own object, which means it's gonna be like killing the draw calls. So like it's, I think that wasn't even the CPU side. I think it was just like lots of I think it was just like lots of like draw calls. Which is another thing, you know, like that needs to be optimized more on the content side for things. Let's try different things. I have to fix the blur thing. What else could we try? So I tried that. Ooh, sound expert. I wonder how fast that loads. Also, this one's not cached. I haven't loaded this on this cache instance yet. So why is that being positioned weird? Something's off. It's loading. We haven't died so far, so that's also good. Come on. Oh, this one took a bit. Sound it. Except it's not gonna work because I still need to like do the I still need to do the videos. Okay, it's loaded, then exploded. Let's try. This is not gonna. Oh, this might be interesting too. Let's try that. I'm just seeing if the system will explode. Yes. Oh, this was instant too.
Common pathfinding types include waypoint systems and navigation meshes. Waypoint systems use a form of graph search to find a path and select way. Navigation mesh systems, or in short nave mesh systems, are an improvement over waypoint systems, where instead of NPCs having to follow
That's
specific
smooth.
routes, they pathfind over a territory instead.
Let's go here. Nothing to chase on, and go here. Aha. Okay, I'm gonna click the thing, so get the tool. Oh, I don't think this is set up for desktop. That's unfortunate. Oh, no, wait, no, it equips it in the non-dominant hand. Oh, never mind. Oh, that's a cool experience. Let's load this up. This shouldn't also, this is a very tiny world. It should be like instant. I like this world. Itamikis? Huh? Why is it? Oh. Oh, things based on the view position. I like this transition. Oh, did the particles... Oh, the particles died. I'll have to check the log. Okay, so particles died here. I have to find the tanukis. Oh yeah, there's no particles. Oh my god, it's missing them. It looks kinda sandish. But at least the particles are only... I know to check those and why those are exploding. Hmm. Hmm. I'm blind. Wait, am I blind or did something break? Oh, it's like that one. There we go, got the sky one. I wonder if something's broken. Because I can't find the other ones. Yeah, like there's just... Oh. So there should be two more. But I don't see them. And usually they have like this glow around them too. Oh wait, there's one. There we go. I don't think I've ever seen one over there. Oh, and there's one here, yeah. They're like here. I've never seen them here. Okay, so this is all of them. Okay, so that wasn't broken. They were just in locations I've never seen before. Okay. We haven't explored so far. Let's just open some stuff. Let's open the route. Not bad. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Not bad. And obviously, there's also like one of those things like you'd like, you know, it makes things faster, so it should be faster than the main build, but also you know, there's optimizations where you just make it not do a million things, because things will, as you do more and more stuff, things will still get, like, you know, slower. Everything costs performance, it just makes it cost less. Oh, this might be cool world today, so I've done this. I don't know if I can just play that one myself. Fracture was actually my most interesting one. Let's try that. There we go. There's also something with the positioning. It also like gets famous like slow with a lot of stuff. They had to like optimize it for one of the creator gems. But it's a very fun world. Yeah. Okay, things work. Let's try. What should I try? Fractions, like a world. I'm trying like something that would have like some kind of unique kind of interactivity stuff. Let's try that out. This is a very unique world. But most of the interactions here are like VR, so like it's not gonna be good. But let's just let's explode. I died. Oh no. This works. What was the one I was gonna try? FK. So this is also cold load. I haven't loaded this one before. Oh my god, I'm ready. I am ready. Still loading some things I failed though, because it's a little bit itchy. There we go. Where's the music? The music? Is that like... That's not a video. The music's not a video because it's playing. It's probably in here. But this works. Also, I should note there's like one thing. Right now, I still haven't done buffer deallocations, as I'm kind of going through things. Assets do deallocate the buffers for the shared memory, but the actual updates, they don't, and actually like it'll make the performance kind of get lower and lower over time, and I think I'm starting to like feel it. One of the reasons I haven't done that is because I'm trying to like make sure that like I avoid bugs where... Oh, something exploded. I try to avoid bugs where... Oh, never mind, it was just contention. I try to avoid bugs where... Oh, this might be a good one. I try to avoid like hitting bugs like where something gets overwritten by something, because usually when I develop things and it's like there's a lot of kind of moving parts because there's a lot going on, I try to eliminate as many variables as possible. And by not freeing the buffers, I make sure I don't hit any bugs where a buffer that's still used would get overwritten due to like a management error. So I can kind of focus on the other bugs. Once the other bugs are gone, then I can be... Oh, this is gonna work because of videos. You know, only then I'll actually implement the deallocation, which I already have like most things like in place. It just needs to be kind of triggered. This is good. This is a lot of procedural stuff too. Once I kind of hit that, you know, I know for sure that like the other bugs were cleared. But if I did both at the same time, then, you know, I have to be figuring out, is this bug because of the memory is being overwritten, or is it because, you know, something else? And that adds complexity. So like by doing this like piece by piece, it actually makes it easier to debug as I go on. I reduce as many variables as I can. Let's do that here. I reduce as many variables as I can, and that makes the whole process gonna go smoother. I'll probably doing that next because now things are actually feeling stable. This is kind of running. When I was dealing with like one of the crashes, I actually was like, you know, this, like I was dealing with an issue where I'm like, this looks like the buffer is being overwritten by something else and it's just getting garbage data. But it couldn't have been because I specifically made it like so it doesn't do that yet. But yeah, this is working. But yeah, this is, I think it's getting to the point where it's like hurting the overall performance because like now it actually has to run through lots of memory buffers to find a free one. What is like surprising, it's not using that much memory. The main process 5 gigabytes, the render is 1 gigabyte. But you can see like it's been steadily kind of dropping. But that's okay because right now the focus is, you know, the focus is on stability. Abandon would be a good one. I was gonna load, I was gonna see if I can load the, what's it called? I was gonna load the like Mesa map, but like since it's I've been running for a while, it's gonna degrade it. I'm like I wanna save it a fresh one. Was a very good game. I also need to do the render transform override. This is very dark. I can't see. Is it in there? Oh, there we go, I get it. Yay. This is nice. On all my allowance. But I think I still remember the code, so 1197. I haven't played this in a while, but yep, things work. That's a very good experience if we haven't been through it. But I think I've been recording, so okay, so the recording is 28 minutes. It's gonna start wriggling. Yep. I've been playing for 28 minutes and it's been stable. You know, like, well, stable. You know, the particles have exploded, but that's like one thing, but I haven't full crashed yet, so that's a very good sign. Alright, there's double doors. Let's see, where's the other one? There was one here. Oh, there's a key here. This one's been hard to find when I was playing it. Huh? And the key for every part. I'll leave it here. I'm looking forward to physics. This can make a lot of things feel cool. Okay, the cameras work. Oh, my hair. It's in my face. Oh, this one isn't open. Scratches. What could have possibly caused those? Let's put this here. Alright, I forgot the one upstairs. Eh. I'm only gonna like play through the whole thing. But I'm just kinda like, you know, running through a bunch of things, just testing the stability of stuff. Did it go? Alright, gonna maybe at some time. Dang, I didn't. Ah, this is funky. How was it the other way? I forget which way did it go. What? Something broken? I don't know. Is it broken now? Is it broken on the main build? This is weird. Like, I think this is supposed to do a thing. Or am I missing a step? I forget. I think it's just these. Has to be desktop. Let's have to tell. Yeah, this is like supposed to open the door. I think it makes a sound when it like hits the thing, but yeah, that's weird. Oh, the thing is, if there is like a bug with some of the things, we'll find it out like in the pre-release testing, which is one of the reasons because it kind of helps when more people kind of, you know, jump on things and start like poking around and try to isolate things. Right now my main concern is Doom. Oh, did we die? Did we didn't die? Right now my main concern is pretty much like stability testing. I don't know what works well with desktop. Yay. Oh hey, there's a big one. There we go. Oh wait, did they grow? Actually, I could test the other one too, the latest one from MMC. Let's do game. What was it? Oh wait, I know what I should test. I should test the 1v1 because I know that was a pretty heavy one. Then again, the performance is already kind of degraded right now, but still might be good to like stress test. Let's see. This one's also gonna be a good test. Where is it? Wagon Express. Let's see. So the performance should only be degraded like with like allocation of the frames. So like some of these stuff should be okay. Yeah, I've been like running 34 minutes and the stability is pretty good, so I'm feeling confident I'll probably end the video after this and start focusing on some of the actual bugs. Let's do start a new game. So this hurts because it builds things, so hit that. What? That's insane. That like freezes for a while, like when you play on the main build. collisions are a bit funky on this one. We'll see like if that actually gets better with new Beppo physics. This is a very, very fun world. I never actually went through the whole thing. I don't know how far it goes. I'm cheating. I mean, it's not like that I can actually win the game by doing that, but yeah, this was insane. Like, that usually freezes for a good chunk to generate this, and this was like fast. That's nuts. There's also other stuff, like a lot of the, like if there's like lots of objects to render, one of the thing, wait, where's the save twice? Oh, there's like the, okay, it's the final illusion. There's oh, there we go. There's a actually I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, it's starting to get like crunchy over time, but that's like because, you know, the buffer allocation. I'm actually surprised like it kind of runs like this decent. We're at oh, I didn't grab any weapon. Yeah. I'll just die. Yeah, let's go. This is a really fun game too. Oh, I don't have any lights either. I'm a dummy. I think I'll end it here because like the main goal of this was, you know, testing the stability of things. And it's pretty stable. Like the particles do blow up sometimes. I do have idea what's happening. Hopefully it's not like a complicated fix, but also, you know, that's not the one that like brings the entire world down. So the communication between the like it's not even the renderer thing, so the communication between the main process and the renderer is like mostly like where I'm like, okay, is this gonna explode or no? And it seems there's like no corruption that I could see. There's like some things that maybe, but could be issues, but also I'm not sure, so we'll see what people figure out during pre-release testing. Because this kind of helps, like having more people dig into things and help isolate problems. Because it let me kind of like, you know, focus on implementing the remainder of the things, adding more stuff. Because like if I do this, for example, this doesn't work. You see, this is just like don't have any data there. Shouldn't be too hard to implement either, but it's just a thing needs to be done. But yeah, it's working. Like it's pretty stable. I think I'm gonna end the video now because yeah. It seems like the zero. I'm still kind of weirded out. Like I'm like, why is it giving out empty message sometime? Like it just kind of stops, but it doesn't seem to have any ill effects. Like if the queue was corrupted somehow, I think it would explode really, really quick. Because like the way the communication works, whatever the main process sending to the renderer and whatever it's sending back, well, it doesn't actually send stuff back, but like if even a single thing gets missed, like the state gets corrupted. And it's actually what you saw happening in, you know, the videos where my cursor became a carrot is because essentially due to a bug, a part of the update was missed and it just corrupted everything. So it became very, very quickly obvious that like things are wrong, but this is running stable. So I'm gonna end it here and I'll see you with the next one. And I'm gonna do a few more things and hopefully maybe pre-release soon. There's gonna be still a bunch of things missing in the pre-release, but it's good to start testing early, so keep tuned.